How to use Zelle QR code. Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. So I found the answer on the official website in frequently asked area with questions. So how to use a Zelle QR code? Let's see the answer. Zelle QR code provides peace of mind knowing you can send money to the right person without typing an email address or US mobile number. Find Zelle in your banking app, click send. Then click on the QR code icon displayed at the top of the select recipient screen. Your phone's camera will open. To send money with a Zelle QR code, simply point to your camera at the recipient Zelle QR code, enter the amount, hit send, and the money is on the way. So when sending money to someone new, it's always important to confirm the recipient is correct by reviewing the displayed name before sending money. So how to find my own Zelle QR code? To locate your own Zelle QR code, click the My Code tab. From here, you can view your QR code and use the print and share icons to text, email, or print your Zelle QR code. Note, the QR code is not available at all financial institutions or within the Zelle app. After scanning QR code and landing on zellepay.com, I located my bank, but it says the ability to use a Zelle QR code is coming soon. Now what to do? So your bank or credit card doesn't offer Zelle QR code yet. You can wait until it will be available. And after scanning Zelle QR code and landing on zellepay.com, I located my bank, but it says the ability to use Zelle QR codes coming soon. I know my financial institution offers Zelle QR code, so now what? When in doubt, open the bank or credit union app and navigate to Zelle. If your bank or credit union offers Zelle QR code, you'll be able to click the QR code icon displayed at the top of the select recipient screen.